Now I'm going to show you how to decorate our poncho with flowers. First we're going to make a pattern for our flowers. Take a piece of paper and fold it in half, and then fold it in thirds like this. Okay, you can turn it over and cut a circle, sort of like an ice cream cone. Okay, and open it up, check, see how it looks, and if you're satisfied, there it is. Okay, I've cut out 3 different contrasting colors for our flower decorations, and I've cut out 3 half-inch strips of a color for the center of the flower. Now we're going to put I've cut 2 of each color, and for the reversible color, I'm going to use the dark purple on the light purple side and the light purple on the dark purple side. So now you want to decide where you're going to place your flowers. And I think I'll keep them like this on the side and a little bit to the front and to the side. And just lay them on the poncho like that. Okay, next you want to mark where you liked them. Just take a pin, or you can even mark it with a little pencil, or anything really, you can mark that. And okay, we have our right side sticking out, and you just want to kind of squeeze them together and fold it in half. And you find the center there and make 2 slits just a little off from the center, about 1/4 inch in, like that. You want to be very careful not to cut too far because you'll cut your flower off, and this is what the holes should look like. And do that with all 3 sets of flowers, making sure that the fuzzy side is on the outside, the felted side is on the inside. Fold it in half, nice and tight so that they're together. The one on the inside is going to end up with a little bit smaller hole, but it doesn't make any difference. It'll work just fine. And just little slits like that, and this is what it looks like.